Hello, in this video I'm going to look at some 3D printed keys I just made. They both go to these Rotary counter indicator locks. The one on the left goes to a National Park Service lock, and the one on the right goes to a registered US mail lock. I made both these keys from these originals here. I took pictures of them and I scanned them, and then I converted them to an STL file and cleaned them up and tried a few runs until I got it to actually open the locks. Lockpicking Dev also shows how he made one of these by hand, and Lock Chuck also recently made an STL file for a registered US mail lock that you can 3D print. His is for a slightly newer version of this US mail lock, and I don't know if they're the same key or not. When I looked at his video, it looked like the key might be slightly different, but I'm not 100% sure on that, so it may be that you need different keys for those two. But I'm going to share the STL files on printables, so if you want to print them yourself and give them a shot, you can do that. And here you can see I've got the one working for the NPS lock. It's a little stiff at one point there, but see if you can pull it out. And the way I've been doing it is just pushing it in there, and then I turn here to make sure I don't break the bow on the key, like that. And do the same with this guy here. Little stiff there, but see, that works pretty well. It's a little rough coming out, but gets out. Yeah, so not too shabby. The other thing I thought I'd show you real quick is this guy right here. You may notice that this one looks a little rougher than these two as far as the plugs there. This one is the one I reset back to 0. You can see it's on 4 now. It has had its first 4 picks at Nova Labs at a tool meeting. And yeah, this is the lock that's going to be going around to see how many picks we can get. I'm probably going to keep it up here in Northern Virginia for another month or two and try to get some more local picks on it. And then after that, it'll go off in the mail and travel the world and just see how many we can get. Yeah, cool. Oh, thank you for watching.